Hello, now let me show you what we need from you when we ask you to upload your picture with the testing view, testing environment image. Go to HonorLog, and I created an HonorLog practice assessment for you. It has nothing to do with the exam. This is a prerequisite for your exams. Launch it, install if needed. I already did that. Take the quiz. Click a couple of things they want you to, agree to this, agree to that, so we can see your videos. And now you will see that it turned on your camera. And that's the most important part for the proctoring is your camera and your microphone. So we know that nobody is there helping you with the exam and so on. Now, this is what you think is good enough for the exam, so not anymore. It used to be, now they changed the rules. This is not good. So if you send this picture, it's not going to be approved. We need to see your face and your hands and the paper. And as you can see, my paper is out of the picture. Not good. So what I'm doing it, I already prepared books on the side of my table, and I'm putting my computer like so. Still not good enough. Then I'm bending a little bit or putting it higher, like so. Ta-da! Now, as you can see, I can see your face, your smile, your hands, the paper, the pen. Ta-da! I'm a left-handed, so this is perfect for me. But you can also switch the sides if you want. Now, just for this one time, I need you to take a phone. Obviously, during the exam, you cannot use the phone. With all the advancements nowadays, you can solve all the exam problems with your phone easily. So you cannot access your phone during the exam. But just for this camera positioning exam, take your phone and take a picture, ta-da, ta-da, of what you're seeing here, like so. Go to Canvas, find the assignment called Upload Camera Positioning Practice here, and upload this picture as PDF file. You have to convert it to PDF file. Use some kind of programs to do that. I like Adobe Scan or any other programs to convert things to PDF file. Then we need to approve it. The instructor needs to approve it, and only when we approve it, you can take the tests. And another trick is you cannot change this environment and then take a test. If you relocated for the next exam or something happened in your apartment and furniture moved, you have to re-upload a new picture to be approved one more time. So every time you relocate, send us a new picture. If you take the exam with different picture that it was not approved, or it looks like so, and you said, no, but you approved my picture before, we will tell you this is not what you send me. This is not what you uploaded. And we're gonna send you the original picture and the one we see now during the exam, and you unfortunately receive a 0 grade with no makeup opportunities. That's a new rule to make sure that nobody is using any advanced technology, friends, cats that help you with math. Cats are smart enough to do that. So this is my explanation. Thank you for watching.